That's the second one. It landed. It's laying there in the crook of the tree. It's a big limb. Hey, this is Joe. It's been a windy day today, and neighbor hasn't had very good luck with tree limbs. I was in the garage sharpening the blade on my lawnmower, and the first one broke off. I don't know if you can see it or not. Broke off there and landed down in their area. And then it wasn't, neighbor, when I was in the garage and heard it, I thought it sounded like a piece of tin. So I went around my garage because my neighbor has some tin against his shed, and it was still there, and I didn't notice it at first. Then the neighbor guy comes over and he says, "You see what happened?" And I said, "No," and I looked out, and here it was. That limb had broke off and fell down on his umbrella and that kind of stuff, his little picnic table and stuff. Then about 20 minutes later, another piece come off up here, and it did some damage. It's kind of laying in the, I don't know if I can get, that's the second one. It landed, it's laying there in the crook of the tree. It's a big limb. It's a big old tree. But the first one broke off. See if I can get the right angle. Broke off in that area there. It was a big limb too. And the second time it broke off here. But the wind's been giving us trouble. It's been blowing my little greenhouse around, making the pieces come apart, and knocked off my radishes. And I had some radishes actually growing, and now they're gone. So I got to start over. If that greenhouse makes it for tonight, I'll be lucky. I'm supposed to have storms tonight, starting around 5 or 6 o'clock. But it's been a windy day. It's been hot, been warm, but it's been a windy one. We'll see you later.